haven't posted many videos on my channel so far because I started a new job down here at Impacted Wraps and Graphics, where I started out wrapping cars and now I've moved on to do a lot of the production work, printing prints and still wrapping some cars. And I picked up this new toy, or I shouldn't say toy, but daily driver. This is a 2000 BMW 323 CI. It's the coupe. It has really clean black interior, 162,000 miles. Just gave it a bath, as you'll see in some of the shots.
You little niggas got your own shit, bitch. Me and all my niggas got our own damn crib, bitch. Me and all my folk record our own damn shit. In-house studio, flexed out for your bitch. When she walks through the door, all she do is compliment. Bitch, I'm finna smoke a blunt, so I don't wanna say shit. Don't bother me, I'll break your...
Yeah, I still have the E36. The E36 is now my track car that I recently welded the diff, removed the rear sway bar, and then I have some other suspension stuff to do with angle that I'm going to get going before the season gets into full swing. But yeah, so plans for this car are kind of keep it stock. It's a daily driver. I might do a little ECU tune. I already built a K&N intake for it, but going to keep it stock and just drive it how it is because it's dead reliable and it runs really well. As far as the channel, if you want to see some of our wrap stuff, make sure to check out Impacted Wraps and Graphics. I'll put a little thing here to the channel there where we're going to upload some funny stuff and then some wrap stuff, maybe some tutorial stuff. And over the next few weeks we're going to be wrapping both our drift cars, Reagan's drift car as well as my drift car, and they got new fender flares from Clinched fender flares, so make sure you check them out. I'll put a link in the description, and you can use the code IMPACTED for 10% off if you guys are interested in picking up a set for your car. As far as that goes, check out this edit of the car and let me know what you think, and make sure you hit subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications, because hopefully I can update you more as I work on this car and then as I work on the drift car too. So if you like what you see, hit that thumbs up below, and thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. See ya.